Welcome to Brown's Rod and Custom, your home for street rods, muscle cars, and Volkswagen content. This is my dad, Big Ron. He's our body man and fabricator. This is my beautiful wife, Megan, our editor-in-chief and supporter. And this is me, Adam, the designer and mechanic for our projects. If you find our videos helpful, like and subscribe for more content.
Hey guys, thanks for watching Brown's Rod and Custom. If you're watching this, please hit the subscribe button. We would really appreciate it. It would help us out a lot. Stay tuned. We got a lot more for you in this episode. Thanks for watching. Hey guys, welcome back to Brown's Rod and Custom. What you hear behind me is Big Ron welding the C-channel into the floor of the Apache. It is now 3:03. Dentist appointment was, I was supposed to pull my 4 temporary caps off and then put my permanents in, and if I'm talking weird it's because my lip is still numb. But yeah, they had to like cut them out and break them off, and it was a shit show. So anyway, I'm here, I made it, yay. So on to what we should be doing. This guy right here, we're gonna get the floor welded in. So if nothing else, right now the C-channel's going in. Come around here, give you a better view. Now this is already drilled, ready to go. So once we get this welded in here, then we can go ahead and put this on and weld it up. So that's what we're doing right now. I don't know how far we're going to get, being what time it is, but that's where we're at. Sorry for this taking so long today, guys, and not getting to the car, but it's kind of out of my control. So, all right, guys, I'll be back in a minute. Alright guys, so what we're doing right now is trying to get these off. Let's put the battery mounts to the firewall.
Without killing.
Without killing it, as Ron says. There's one. That's what she looks like underneath. Well, that's pretty basic. Okay. And one to do.
You got spot box here.
Hey guys, welcome back to Brown's Rock and Custom. Alright, so being we got such a late start, we got a little bit done, but we didn't get as much done as we wanted to when we started. But let me show you what we got. We did get the floor welded in. Show you that here. So that's all welded in. So that's huge. So as of right now, the floor is like 99% welded in. So that's good. And then we came up here to the firewall. If you guys remember, this had the two round, had these actually. Right here. Right there. Right? So we got these knocked off. You can see where we did. Drilled out 4 spot welds. Took a hammer, a little screwdriver, and popped it off. So what we're going to do next is clean this up, grind this down. It's a little bit of an edge here on both of them, and then weld these up. And then we won't have that big lip, right? So, but that's not going to be today. That'll probably be tomorrow or something like that. So anywho's guys, that's what we got done today. Sorry for the short video. You know, the dentist thing kind of got away from us, to be honest with you. Now tomorrow, it's another view of that floor. Now tomorrow, they're going to be cutting down the big trees we've been talking about for a week, 2 weeks now. So tomorrow, this tree, that guy gets cut down, and the one behind it there gets cut down, which is a huge thing for us because both of them are leaning, one at our house and one at the neighbor's house. And the other is they drop a billion leaves and the branches keep falling off. They've been hit by lightning. It's just bad. So tomorrow that problem will be solved, and it will also give us a lot more room to put our fifth wheel back here and anything else without that tree in the back. It's kind of a pain. So that's happening tomorrow. I'm going to try to get this firewall welded up tomorrow, finish welding up the floor while they're cutting down the tree, and just kind of dial this in a little bit here and on the floor. So that's the idea. Stay tuned for tomorrow, guys. Thank you for watching. Really appreciate all of you, and I hope you have a great night. See you tomorrow.